In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI Simple Integration Guide. Whether you're a data-driven marketer, a sales professional, or just someone looking to get the most out of your HubSpot and Power BI tools, integrating these platforms can help you unlock deeper insights and streamline your reporting process. Stick around, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to connect these two powerful tools and start visualizing your HubSpot data like never before. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, or if you're new to Microsoft Power BI, you can use the links in the description to get started. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the HubSpot homepage and log in using your account credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you haven't already. It's your central hub for managing all things HubSpot. Now, at the top of the navigation bar, locate the Marketplace icon. It might look like a small grid or a collection of dots depending on your version. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to HubSpot's Marketplace, where you can find integrations, tools, and apps to expand your platform's functionality. Once you're in the Marketplace, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where all the integrations are organized. Click on that to narrow down the options specifically to apps and tools designed to work with HubSpot. Next, find the search bar at the top of the Apps section, type in Microsoft Power BI and press Enter. If you're spelling it out for the first time, don't worry. HubSpot's search is pretty intuitive and should pull it up quickly. When you see Microsoft Power BI integration appear in the search results, click on it. This will open up the dedicated page for this integration. Now, before moving ahead, you can take some time to review the information on this page. It usually includes details about what the integration does, how it works, and any important features or limitations to keep in mind. If you're already familiar with Power BI, you might not need to spend much time here, but it's always a good idea to double-check whether this integration meets your specific needs. Once you're ready, locate the Install App button on that page and click it. This is the point where you officially begin the setup process. From here, follow any additional prompts that appear on your screen. HubSpot will likely guide you through a few steps to connect your Microsoft Power BI account. This might involve signing into your Power BI account, granting permissions, or selecting specific data sets you want to sync. Make sure to carefully read each step and provide the necessary information to complete the connection successfully. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. HubSpot support resources can often help troubleshoot common problems. After the integration is set up, you can return to the Marketplace section in HubSpot whenever you need to manage or adjust your integrations. For instance, if you ever want to update your data settings or disconnect the integration, this is where you'd go. And that's it. You've successfully connected HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI. Now you can start leveraging the power of data visualization to gain deeper insights into your HubSpot metrics. So now you know exactly how to integrate these two platforms and take your analytics to the next level. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below. We'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.